Number 1. 1982 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead, $3,000, Pattersonville, New York. The 1982 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead represents the final years of Harley's legendary Ironhead era, known for its unmistakable V-twin sound and classic American styling. These Sportsters remain popular among collectors thanks to their mechanical simplicity, strong aftermarket support, and enduring place in Harley-Davidson history. This two-owner example has reportedly been garage-capped since 1983 and shows 22,487 miles. The seller states that it starts easily, comes with a clean title, and includes a generous collection of accessories, spare parts, riding gear, and manuals. For buyers seeking an affordable vintage Harley, this Ironhead offers excellent value. Number 2. 1968 Triumph TR6 650, $2,400, Concord, North Carolina. The 1968 Triumph TR6 650 is a classic British twin admired for its lightweight feel, responsive performance, and timeless styling. Models like the TR6 continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate traditional Triumph engineering and the unique character of vintage British motorcycles. This custom example also features a 1965 TR6 SC engine. According to the seller, the motorcycle is equipped with Pazon electronic ignition, a hardtail frame, forward controls, and a classic solo seat. After spending years in storage, it will benefit from cleaning and a fuel tank repaint, while a cold start video demonstrates that the engine runs. For custom bike enthusiasts, this Triumph offers a solid foundation. Number 3. 1977 Honda CB554 Supersport, $2,500, Louisville, Ohio. The 1977 Honda CB554 Supersport is a well-balanced classic that combines smooth four-cylinder performance with Honda's reputation for reliability. Its manageable size and timeless styling have made the CB550 a favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts looking for an enjoyable and versatile Japanese classic. This one-owner motorcycle has only 3,870 original miles and has been stored in a garage for approximately 20 years. The seller notes that the engine turns freely, although the bike will require recommissioning before returning to regular use. With its low mileage and original condition, this CB550 presents an attractive restoration opportunity. Number 4. 1971 Moto Guzzi Ambassador, $3,500, Paramus, New Jersey. The 1971 Moto Guzzi Ambassador is a classic Italian touring motorcycle known for its dependable shaft-drive V-twin engine and distinctive styling. Appreciated for its durability and comfortable riding manners, the Ambassador continues to enjoy a loyal following among enthusiasts who value vintage European motorcycles with lasting character. The seller reports that this motorcycle has approximately 6,000 miles, runs and rides well, and comes with a clean title. Finished in black and described as ready to enjoy, it offers an appealing opportunity for anyone looking to own a classic Moto Guzzi at an attractive price. Number 5. 1973 Honda CL, $2,600, Pottstown, Pennsylvania. The 1973 Honda CL series blended lightweight street performance with scrambler-inspired styling, creating one of Honda's most recognizable motorcycles of the early 1970s. Known for dependable engineering and everyday versatility, these models remain popular among collectors seeking approachable vintage Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, this red example starts easily. All electrical components are functioning properly, and it has a brand new battery. minor fuel tank dents, light pitting on the chrome rims, and a rear tire that will soon need replacement are reflected in the asking price. Overall, it appears to be an enjoyable classic ready for its next owner. Number 6. 1979 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide FLH Shovelhead, $6,900, Charlotte, North Carolina. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide FLH Shovelhead is a true American touring icon, celebrated for its legendary V-twin engine and unmistakable road presence. Original paint matching numbers examples have become increasingly desirable among collectors who appreciate authentic Harley-Davidson motorcycles from the Shovelhead era. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs and rides very well, while retaining its original paint and matching numbers. It also features an S&S Super E carburetor, fishtail exhaust, tour pack trunk, hard saddlebags, a new battery, and a new windshield. With a clean North Carolina title, this FLH appears ready for many enjoyable miles. Number 7. 1977 Kawasaki KZ650, $3,500, West Hempstead, New York. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ650 earned a reputation as one of the most balanced middleweight motorcycles of its time, offering smooth four-cylinder performance and dependable everyday reliability. Its classic styling and enjoyable riding characteristics continue to make the KZ650 a favorite among enthusiasts of vintage Japanese motorcycles. This freshly restored example has received rebuilt carburetors, new cables, fresh tires, a new battery, and an upgraded electronic ignition. Additional features include dual front disc brakes, a Kerker 4-in-1 exhaust, and an extra luggage rack. With its low mileage and recent mechanical work, this KZ650 offers an attractive blend of originality and usability. Number 8. 1973 BMW R75/5 Toaster Tank, $3,500, Ludlow, Massachusetts. The 1973 BMW R75/5 Toaster Tank is one of BMW's most recognizable vintage motorcycles, admired for its chrome-paneled fuel tank, smooth boxer engine, and timeless German engineering. Short wheelbase examples remain especially popular with collectors who appreciate their classic styling and distinctive character. The Sau describes this motorcycle as largely original, retaining its factory paint along with the desirable toaster tank. While normal signs of age are present, including faded paint and some pitted chrome, the original handlebars and mirrors are included with the sale. For enthusiasts seeking an honest vintage BMW, this R75/5 offers plenty of authentic charm. Number 9. 1979 Triumph Bonneville Special, $7,300, Lansdale, Pennsylvania. The 1979 Triumph Bonneville Special continued the legacy of one of Britain's most celebrated motorcycles, combining classic parallel twin performance with timeless styling. Well-preserved Bonnevilles remain highly sought after by collectors who appreciate their rich heritage and enjoyable riding experience. Owned by the same enthusiasts since 1981, this motorcycle has been completely refurbished using original parts and recently received a new clutch. The seller also includes a stand and protective cover, and the bike comes with a clear title. For anyone searching for a carefully maintained classic Triumph, this Bonneville Special is an appealing example. Number 10. 1974 Suzuki GT750, $7,895, Barre, Vermont. The 1974 Suzuki GT750 is one of the most famous two-stroke motorcycles ever built, earning the nickname Water Buffalo for its liquid-cooled three-cylinder engine. Its smooth performance, unique engineering, and unmistakable character have made the GT750 a standout among collectors of vintage Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, this motorcycle has undergone extensive professional restoration, including an engine rebuild, rebuilt carburetors, refreshed brakes, new fork seals, and a professionally refinished frame. With a rebuilt engine, clean title, registration, and reported ready-to-ride condition, this GT750 presents an outstanding opportunity for classic Suzuki enthusiasts. Number 11. 1971 Triumph TR6C, $3,800. Boyertown, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Triumph TR6C began life as a rugged single-carb trail model, earning a reputation for dependable British twin performance and lightweight handling. This example has been thoughtfully upgraded with several Bonneville-inspired components, creating a unique blend of classic styling and improved performance while retaining its vintage Triumph character. According to the seller, the motorcycle now features a dual-carb cylinder head, Wassel carburetors, electronic ignition, and upgraded charging system, and an add-on oil filter. It starts easily, runs well, and is described as needing nothing before being ridden. For enthusiasts seeking a distinctive British twin, this modified TR6C offers an appealing combination of originality and practicality. Number 12. 1981 Yamaha XS850 Special, $1,695. Deer Park, New York. The 1981 Yamaha XS850 Special is a classic shaft-drive triple known for its smooth power delivery, comfortable riding position, and dependable engineering. Produced during an era when Japanese manufacturers were expanding into touring-oriented motorcycles, the XS850 remains a unique choice for riders who appreciate vintage three-cylinder performance. The seller reports that this motorcycle runs and rides, with most systems functioning as expected. The only noted issue is that second gear occasionally pops out, although the bike is still described as very rideable. At this price, it offers an affordable opportunity for someone looking to own a classic Yamaha triple. Number 13. 1973 Triumph Trident T150, $4,000, Ortonville, Michigan. The 1973 Triumph Trident T150 is one of Britain's most celebrated three-cylinder motorcycles, admired for its strong performance, smooth power delivery, and unmistakable exhaust note. Original Tridents continue to attract collectors thanks to their unique place in British motorcycle history and their distinctive engineering. This very original example was completely disassembled and refreshed about 5 years ago before being carefully reassembled. According to the seller, it has traveled only around 60 miles since the work was completed, helping preserve its well-kept condition. For enthusiasts searching for a classic British triple, this Trident presents an excellent opportunity. Number 14. 1972 Harley-Davidson Electra-Glide, $11,500. Nottingham, New Hampshire. The 1972 Harley-Davidson Electra-Glide represents one of the most iconic American touring motorcycles of the shovelhead era. Known for its comfortable long-distance capability, classic styling, and unmistakable V-twin character, the Electra-Glide remains a favorite among collectors who appreciate vintage Harley-Davidson history. The seller states that this motorcycle retains its original paint, has approximately 25,000 miles, and continues to run very well. Its preserved appearance and reported running condition add to its overall appeal. For buyers looking for an authentic early 1970s Harley touring motorcycle, this Electra-Glide stands out as a desirable classic. Number 15. 1971 Honda Trail 90, $950, Ypsilanti, Michigan. The 1971 Honda Trail 90 became one of Honda's most successful small-displacement motorcycles, earning a reputation for reliability, versatility, and easy operation. Its lightweight design and practical nature continue to make the Trail 90 a favorite among collectors and outdoor enthusiasts looking for a fun vintage machine. According to the seller, this complete motorcycle starts, runs, and rides, while also including a new carburetor, new tires and tubes, a luggage rack, and a passenger seat. It will benefit from routine tuning and throttle adjustment, making it an ideal project for someone who wants an affordable and enjoyable classic Honda.